Here we explain the subject of industrial engineering. These are the B mechanical 8th semester. Here we explain the one of the concept of industrial engineering is the productivity and productivity measurement models. The productivity is the concept where the output can be considered with input. The productivity in industry mainly used to rating the workers according to their skill. The productivity means to produce more and more and to use less resources. The productivity it is a quantitative term where the resources are produced is compared with which resources can be used to produce them. There are number of productivity models or number of productivity techniques. The productivity types of productivity are the material productivity. In material productivity, the total output it is compared with the material input. Material input means total material quantity are used to produce them. Then the labor productivity. The labor productivity is the productivity in which the output is compared with the total labor man hours are used to produce this output. Then capital productivity. Once the capital investment is the machineries, equipments which can be fixed in the industry and which can be used or which can be purposed to produce the final product. Here we study the three types of productivity models. The first is the Craig and Harris model. The second is the APC model, and the next is the Taylor's and Lewis model. First we explain the Craig and Harris model. In Craig and Harris model, it is also known as a sales per service model, because in this model to calculate the productivity where all the inputs are converted are in the service, means the other workers, other subcontractors, other subcomponents can be used for production, so it is converted into services and these costs are converted into profits. Where in Craig and Harris model, the productivity P it is the ratio of output divided by L plus C plus R plus Q, where notification that P is the total productivity, L is the labor input factors, that is number of labors are used and total cost are given to this number of labors. Then capital investment factor, then raw material. Actually the raw material is the industry, but at the instant we require some amount of raw material which can be taken from outside other than inventory. It is known as a R, raw material and other purchase part. And Q is the other inputs. During this production we require some coolants, we require some other components to produce them other than material and tools and equipments are known as a Q. Then APC model. The long form of APC model is the American Productivity Model. In American Productivity Model, we compare the productivity with profitability. Profitability it is the ratio of sales to the cost, where sales are the product of total output quantity to the sales price, and the cost is the total input quantities to their unit production price. The ratio of input to the output it is known as a productivity, and the ratio of sales price to unit price it is known as a price deflector. That is the ratio of base year price to the current year price. So we will compare the profitability with the productivity. Then in third model, it is known as a Taylor and Device model. The Taylor and Device model, it is the opposite of Craig and Harris model. Means in Craig and Harris model, it is known as a service model. Means all the inputs are converted into services. So In Taylor's and Device model, all the inputs are not converted into services. Other than services, some components are used in them. Here, to calculate total factor productivity. The total factor productivity is other than the total productivity. In total productivity, all the output is compared with the given inputs. It is known as total productivity. But in total factor productivity, instead of total output, we consider the net output. The net output is the total output minus other than capital and labor inputs. And here in total factor productivity, the inputs are considered to be material, capital and labor inputs. So formula for total factor productivity is S plus C plus MP minus E divided by, in bracket, W plus B plus KWF into KF into FB and DF. Here the S is the net output, means for production we require net output. So net output is calculated by total output minus material and other services. Then C, it is a change in inventory. In last month there is X amount of inventory. In this month we require less than or more than inventory. These are indicated by change in inventory by C. Then MP is the manufacturing tools, means in industry some of the components are sales in the market, but some of the components which can be used for production but not sell in the market, like tools, equipment, are to be considered as a MP. Then E are the exclusions. Exclusions means other components. Some workers are on contract basis, some are the temporary. Some equipments are temporary are used to produce the total output. It is the exclusions, means other than regular components, material and machines. Then W are the wages which can be given to the workers either in the contract or regular workers, with total salary, and other than salary there are some transportation, there are some canteen charges in the wages and salary. Then B is the total benefits from output to the input. Then KF, the capital can be divided as a fixed capital and moving capital. In fixed capital, which can be consist as all the machineries, all the material handling equipments, all the tools, and some moving capitals, means if there is a we require truck trolleys which can be move the material from inventory station to the manufacturing plant. So these are the temporary use. So here we see the three types of models: Craig and Harris model, then Taylor's and Davis model, and American productivity model. Out of this, the Craig and Harris model are used for the service models. The APC, that is American productivity model, are used to relationship between productivity and profitability, and Craig and Harris model are used to calculate total factor productivity, that is comparison of net output to the number of inputs. It is the opposite of Craig